I believe I can tell. I wanna hear you sing it. Hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight.
Hello sa mga Ilonggo kag Ilongga dira. Welcome back to my channel. And yes, maayong hapon. Oo, maayong hapon kay alas 12 pasado na. So, malakad kita sa Banwa. Sa Banwa sa Binavista. Kay makuha kita sang kwarta kay inugbayad na sang renta.
A few moments later.
So, the ATM is offline, which we only have in this town two ATMs. So, no, three. One here, and the other one is where I'm going right now, and the other one is at the port. So, yeah. Let's go there and check. So yeah, I arrived and I think it's open. So yeah, hopefully we can take money for today's food. I don't have food. So I heard from the other woman that there's no cash at the moment. So I don't know. Maybe I'll go to the port, or let's still check it. So yeah, this is the town's development cooperative bank, and yeah, everything is a challenge. And I've waited 25 minutes and still waiting, but I don't know. I went out because takan ko magulat dash. Ay, nako. Huwag na akong start sa probinsya. Kag gamiton ko na lang ang nabilin ko nga kwarta nga para tani sa renta. Pangan ko lang tanay ang renta. Okay. Ngita kita pagkaon kaya nagutom ako. Ako. Dapat laba ang pasensya mo diri kung nag-iisa ikaw sa probinsya. The construction workers call me like same as when we call the dog. So yeah, when I put the camera to them, they're shy, but they're not shy calling you like same as the dog. They call the dog. So, tapos na kita magbalod. Mangita na kita sa lulutuon. Kaya wala ako pa mahaw kagapanyaga. 20? Ang isa? Ang ano niya, orange.
Ari 30 ang orange, harap 25.
30.
Ari orange.
Isa lang. Atong ano, pongkan?
25.
25. Sige. Separate lang niya yung liyog. Ay, ara lang ang plastic. Igamiton ko. May bag ko. Ari, diri lang butang liyog. Tapos, sa plastic lang kay ihatag ko sa, ano. Hatag ko sa kon iyada. Kaya masakit. Ay, nabuslot. Pila? Sige. This is just a small fruit stand, sir, and vegetable stand. Naging ko patama. So, baka na lang kita lechon manok para okay na. Okay, wait. I saw something. Santol. Migo! And mango. Sour fruit, but I don't know what is it in English, but we call it santol. So I wanted to try, but they seem not so interested to sell it to me. They're busy talking, so if they're ignoring me, then it's okay. Let's go buy some chicken. Lechon manok. Madamo dari makita, may fried chicken, sa higad-higad. Pero namit siya. Na-try ko na. Pero not always because I don't know how they made that. It tastes good, but I don't know the process of making it. I'm not sure. Yeah. Pero kung kaysa okay na siya. Tama na. Guys, where the lechon is. So, we're going to ask. Anong gabantay? Wala, may gabantay. Kaon tayo sa kastik. Salamat. Megaphone. Ang lechon manok. Tagpila gani? Di man na pwede ka bakalap, no? Pwede. Pwede? Sige, ito nga lang biyak. So, it's okay to buy half. And I cannot eat it all. Okay, we got a ride. Transformer. Sa Supang Liw.
Supang?
Oo. Aray ko. So, we've arrived sa akon nga tinatiniran. I paid 40 pesos for the tricycle and I don't lock my door. I trust people around here, so it's safe. Okay, that is like reminders. Switch off all the lights before leaving. I'm going to be home 4 days. Main switch off. That's for me because I usually forgot to turn off the main switch before leaving the house or my apartment, and yeah, it's kind of dangerous, isn't it? And also switch off the, I call this one, switch off the water switch. I want to make my laundry, but it's kind of gloomy at the moment. It's so cloudy outside. I don't know if there's rain coming, storm, but this is rainy season, so yeah. Oh my god, it looks like a mess. Yeah. Okay, so let's eat because I'm really hungry. Kamusta? Yeah, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung kaon. Ini siya, pasta, and then, naisangin bakal natin yung manok. So, ini, it's not classy. I mean, ano lang siya, gingamit ko lang kung ano ang ara. So, himbutan ko patatas because I love experimenting. So, this is potatoes and canned tuna. We have canned tuna, and then, yeah, with, what else did I put? Carrots and tomato sauce. That's all. And yeah, I think it's okay. In making food, I don't usually have recipes, and I only cook what is there, what's available in my kitchen. It's my first time to cook this, and yeah, not bad. The taste of the lechon is just mild, and the aroma is good, and it's a bit dry. Maybe it stayed a long time over the grill. Yeah. So I will just finish this, and I will do the shout out again. Okay? Hello. So I'm finished eating, and yeah, as promised, I will do the shout out today for another 5, or no, we'll make it 6, because in the last video I lost count and I made 6. Sorry about that. And yeah, we'll do it by 6 people in a video, and this is for you guys, and thank you so much. Thank you very much for subscribing and continue to support me. And yes, for now it's just somewhat like a normal day, a challenging day, a bit challenging. Sorry, I'm kind of sweaty because it's really gloomy at the Oh my god, I'm surprised. I forgot that I put something in on the window, so yeah, as I opened it, it just fell off. So yeah, it's really hot. I have fan, but yeah, later. So hello to Jovelyn Masum there. I'm a bit my tongue is twisting when it comes to your last name, Sisi, because yeah, I know it's your husband's last name, so it's kind of mazomder, mazomder. But hello, and anyway, hello Cici, I miss you so much. And guys, she's in Kuwait, or are you in the Philippines now? Because I saw in the Facebook. Yeah, and to Club or Club A, let's say Club A 69, and to Jose Isidro, hello, that's I think a new subscriber, yeah. And um, to my friend Melwood, and by the way, he's from Texas, but he chose to live in the Philippines for good, and I hope that you will enjoy staying here. And yeah, more and more foreigners love to retire here because it's for them it's kind of paradise because it's near from the beach, beautiful, nice beach, and yeah, a lot to see in the Philippines. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and to Manquin or Mankin 19. Sorry, let's say Mankin because it's the spelling. It's yeah, it's kind of intriguing. Mankin 19, and I last but not the least, hello to my classmate, my friend Brian. I know it's him because of Joker. He loved that nickname or screen name, or how I how I say it. Oh, and anyway, hello everybody, and thank you for subscribing. And to the next 6 will be a next video. And special mention to my second cousin Ging Ging, and happy watching because Tita told me that you are watching every video that I uploaded. Salamat Ging Ging pa Ging Ging. That's all for today, and I hope you enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button there if you're new to this video, and I'll do the next shout out in the next video. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, that's all. Bye till the next video.